gotta find Mayor Humdinger because he hid all the Paw Patrol characters in Maui.
That's right, we're in Maui, Hawaii, and we've got to find Paw Patrol. Right, assistant?
Right.
All right, let's look.
Let's go.
Assistant, look, right here.
What? Bluey?
Bluey. Bluey went down the waterfall, but that's not part of Paw Patrol.
Well, it's a lot deeper right here, but I got Bluey.
You found Bluey?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Oh, look at this waterfall.
It's cool.
Wait a minute, you think there's anybody hiding in there? You think Mayor Humdinger might have hid somebody in the waterfall?
I don't know. Oh, there's a rock right here I can stand on. Woo!
You gotta look, assistant.
Wait, right here.
Wait, I don't see anything.
Look right here. It's Tracker.
How did you see Tracker in there?
I was looking really good.
Oh, good job.
There's a bridge right here.
Oh, yeah.
Another bridge.
Look over there. Let's see. So we're over here by the bridge.
Getting deep.
It sure is. Deep water.
I can still stand though. Are you standing flat-footed?
Yeah.
Oh, really? I'm on my tippy toes.
All right, let's look over there.
This way?
Yeah, you gotta look. So we're under the bridge. Do you see anything?
No.
Nothing there. All right, let's keep looking.
This side. I'm gonna. Ooh.
You gotta swim.
Rocky.
It is Rocky. Good job, assistant. We found Rocky and
Rocky, Chase.
we not found Chase yet. Let's go over here by that net. You think anything? Where you think Humdinger might have done something over here? Here, let me get in front of you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so let's look. So there's the bridge. Oh, look right here. Crevices.
Woo, that looks like a little.
Keep looking. Do you see anything?
Nope.
No.
It's like a pirate ship right there.
Oh, there's the pirate ship.
Wait, look. Under this net.
Oh, it's
Liberty.
Liberty was in the net.
Liberty.
You're right. There's a pirate ship right there. You think we should go look at that pirate ship?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go up here. I think I'm gonna go down this slide right
Well, we gotta look on this pirate ship, assistant. You see anything here?
Nope. Let's look up here.
Oh, look, there's a tunnel that goes down. Can you go through the slide?
Yeah. This slide?
Yeah. You go down there. Oh, wait a minute. Well, here's another one.
Oh, I'll go down this one.
Here we go. Look, it's a water cannon. You see anything?
Right here.
You found
Chase.
You found Chase. He was on the case.
Yes.
Good job. All right. Let's keep looking around. See if we can find anything.
Okay. Let's go this way.
Okay. So that's a good idea. Wait a minute. So can you touch the bottom? Could you go under the water if you wanted to?
Yep.
There she goes. Good job. So the water is not over your head, is it?
Nope.
So that's why we're not
It's
wearing
3 feet.
That's why we're not wearing a life jacket, right?
Right.
All right.
Oh, it's really hot in here.
Yeah, there's lots of rubble in here, isn't there?
Yeah.
That's what it looks like. This would be a. Who do you think we would find in here, people?
I don't know, but it's really hot in here.
It's a hot tub, right?
Right.
So let's look around there, see if you can find anything. Listen, that doesn't really look like looking.
But the jets feel so nice.
Oh yeah. So do you see anything?
No.
So here's a little cave. Wait a minute.
In the cave.
Who's that?
Rubble.
It's Rubble. Rubble on the double.
Yeah.
Good job.
Whoa.
All right, good job. All right, let's keep looking around.
It feels good in here.
It really does.
So get out of the pool over here.
I don't know. I think we gotta go back around this way, don't we?
This way. Now the pool's gonna be freezing.
It's gonna feel very cool. Wait a minute, assistant.
What?
You didn't finish looking.
I didn't?
No.
Yeah, let's look right here.
All right, so let's see. So here's a little crevice. Anything?
No.
Wait a minute.
Zuma?
I think it is Zuma.
Yes.
Good job. So we found Zuma and Rubble here in the hot tub, right?
Right.
In Maui.
This way?
Yeah. So when you leave hot water, what does the water feel like in the regular swimming pool?
Cold.
Feels cold.
Oh,
Did you want to jump in?
it's so cold.
All right, so we'll watch the assistant jump in. Ready?
Ready?
Oh, assistant, that wasn't much of a cannonball.
Because it's shallow right here.
Oh, that's a good point. All right.
Oh, this way.
Wait a minute, assistant. I see like a bridge and stuff over there.
Let's go over there then.
And a basketball hoop?
Let's go. I'm running.
Gotta run. Oh yeah, there's like a waterfall over here, isn't there?
Yeah.
Ooh, and a giant cave. Come on, assistant, let's go.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
So let's look. Do you see anybody?
Nope. Look at this water.
You don't see anyone under here?
Nope.
Let's see. So here's a little waterfall. By the bridge.
Wait, look up here.
It's Skye. Good job.
Got her.
You got her. Good job. We found Skye.
Who else do we have to find?
We gotta find Marshall
Mayor Humdinger.
and Mayor Humdinger for sure.
That's it? We've not explored this cave yet.
There's a cave?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at this cave, assistant. Do you think that's the place that Mayor Humdinger would go? Maybe even have his cat pack in there, right?
Right.
So here we are in the cave. Wait a minute.
Ryder?
It's Ryder right here.
I didn't even know Ryder was here.
Neither did I. This must be a super important mission for Ryder to be here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, she's under the water looking. She's under the water. Anything up here?
No, I don't think so. I'm looking right here. Lots of rocks.
Yeah, there are lots of rocks. You think Rocky? Oh, we already found Rocky, right?
Yeah, he was in the hot tub. Wait, no, that's Rubble in the hot tub.
Rubble was in the hot tub with Zuma.
Yeah.
So let's see. We gotta find Marshall, and then we gotta find Humdinger.
Yeah. Wait,
Right there.
Marshall.
You found Marshall. Good.
Yeah, he's gonna do a jump into water.
Oh, let's have him jump. Ready?
Ready, set, woo.
Oh, good job. Oh, let's do it again. Can you do a flip?
Front flip.
Oh, it's even better.
Oh no.
Oh, he fell off. Marshall, you fell off a rock. Ooh, that was a good one.
Ta-da.
Can you doggy paddle too with the camera? Let's see if you can swim to the camera. Oh, there he is. All right. So now we only have to find one more.
Mayor Humdinger.
Mayor Humdinger. All right, let's go. Ooh, there's a bridge over there. We've not been to that bridge.
Slide.
Oh, a slide to go down?
Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
Or do you want to go down first so you can kill me?
You can go. You can go twice even. Now it's my turn. You go home. It'd be fun to go down slides with us. Woo! Deeper than I expected. Deeper than I expected.
You want me to go again?
Yeah, alright, so look. You go again, so the assistant's gonna go again. So look, here's another waterfall. Hi, assistant. We're ready, assistant. Come on down. Whoa. Let's look under this waterfall. That seems like a place that Humdinger would hide.
Okay. Oh, it's bright.
Sure is. Where is Humdinger?
No idea.
You gotta go under the waterfall, assistant.
Oh, I just stuck my toe.
Oh, she stubbed her toe. Going under the waterfall makes you feel better. Oh, look how much fun she had. You see Humdinger?
Whoa.
Wait, look at here. Let's go behind the waterfall. Nothing? No? Alright, let's go under this bridge.
Okay.
Oh, she's going back underwater. Wait, assistant!
Up there. There.
Way up there! Can you jump and get him?
I got him.
You got him!
Mayor Humdinger.
Mayor Humdinger!
Ready? He's gonna jump down.
He's gonna fall! Ready? Whoa! In the water he goes.
Got him.
Good job.
Alright, we found everybody.
We did. Alright everybody, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe.